Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the feature and granting permissions. Open your keyboard settings now. Tap Languages or the keyboard gear, then enable voice typing. Make sure the microphone permission is allowed for the keyboard app so audio reaches the engine. Choose one primary language and any secondary dialects to improve accuracy, and set the hotkey or mic icon placement for quick access. Once done, practice a short phrase to confirm the mic lights up and the system shows spoken text in your current app. You now execute voice typing in realistic conditions. Place the device mic about 6 to 12 inches from you and reduce background noise for clearer input. Speak naturally, but say punctuation like comma or period when you need it, and use commands like new line or delete to structure text. If the engine mishears a word, pause and repeat the phrase slowly, or tap the text to edit. Once you build this rhythm, your words-to-text accuracy improves and editing becomes minimal. You wrap up by proofreading and finalizing the dictated text. Read for homophones, capitalization, and missed punctuation, then correct with a tap or a short voice edit. If results are consistently poor, check the selected language model, confirm microphone access, and make sure you have a stable network if cloud recognition is used. If problems persist, restart the keyboard app, recalibrate or retrain the voice model, or install an offline speech pack to avoid network latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.